A Merritt Island man blames defective shingles for leaks in his new roof and says the company will not honor its warranty.
He's one of several owners who contacted Action 9 about bad shingles from the same manufacturer.
Daddy, you're a crook.
What?
This is illegal.
Hello and welcome everyone to Roofing Insights. Today we're talking about roofing warranties. A couple of weeks ago we published a video best and worst roofing manufacturers, roofing shingles, and today kind of continuing that topic, continuing to talk about initial quality and the paperwork that comes with it. If you're in the market for a new roof, you must watch this video to the end. Thank you so much for coming. In this video, I'm not going to review all the warranties. I'm going to kind of review them in bulk for several reasons. One of them is a legal reason. I'm not a lawyer. I actually discuss roofing warranties with my lawyer. I read fine print almost on every single one of them, and I'm here to tell you, you do want to read the fine print.
Experts told Steve the new shingles have blistered and failed. But now Steve says the company refused to replace them.
It's been a nightmare. I mean, it's going on 5 years now.
But this video is designed to help you understand roofing warranty in general, whether you're an installer or homeowner who is about to hire a contractor, hire a company, because roofing warranty are very, very misleading.
Listen, you little wiseacre. I'm smart, you're dumb. I'm big, you're little. I'm right, you're wrong. And there's nothing you can do about it.
I'm going to answer questions like, can your roof really last 50 years? And where 50 years even coming from? So let's get started with a little history here. So back in the day, I would say 10, 20, 30 years ago, most roofs looked like this. Asphalt shingles, architectural asphalt shingles were selling in the United States as a 25 or 30-year shingle. 5, 6 years ago, one of the biggest players in industry came in and introduced 50-year warranty. They also call it lifetime. Few other big players follow up with it, and they had to in order to compete. So will shingle reasonably last that long? Did any manufacturer really improve the process and make products so different that doubled their lifetime? No. Changes were made, obviously, but not major. As a matter of fact, most installers are reporting that in the last 5, 6 years, quality of the shingles are going down. That's why here on Roofing Insights, I keep telling people that look at the initial quality. Don't believe the marketing, don't believe what you see, don't believe the promises, don't believe the paperwork, don't believe the even warranty promises.
See this junker? I paid $100 for her. She's got 120,000 miles on her. Transmission shot, bumpers have fallen off. What do I do with her? I sell her.
Go with your gut. If product is not good and warranty is good, and some manufacturers even told me, Dmitry, we know our product is not the best out there, but our warranty is. What does it even mean? So I'm going to compare roofing warranty to car warranty just for the sake of comparison, and so it's easy for you to understand and relate as far as life expectancy and what you can expect from roofing shingle. For example, in Minneapolis, in northern climate, Department of Labor actually came out with a few articles and said roof expectancy in Minneapolis is about 18 years. So how do manufacturers get away offering 50-year warranty? I'm going to explain it on a simple chart here. So in the car industry, you've seen this warranties too. So car life.
Two-directional drill. You run it backwards, the numbers go down. Watch your speedometer.
Cool.
If you buy a brand new car, it has to last at least 100,000 on engine and transmission, right? And when you buy that car and you buy that warranty, you know it's going to exceed that. So lifetime probably going to be north of 250,000. Now, it doesn't mean that it's a bad product. It just means that it extends that warranty. Now, in the roofing world, it's completely different. So life expectancy on average asphalt shingle roof, it's about 20, I would say on the high end, on a good product, 30 years. Very close to what it used to be 5, 10 years ago. That 25, 30, I firmly believe that's very close to 100,000 miles on the car today. That's a reasonable expectation of good quality shingle. Now, unfortunately, A lot of roofs do fail right around that 18-20. Again, it depends where you live. So if you live in where a lot of snow, a lot of hail happens, a lot of winds, your roof will age much faster. As a matter of fact, a lot of times, even different slope in the same house gonna age differently. Sometimes we come in and sunny side, the side that's getting too much sun, gets baked all the time. It's gonna be way older or look older than others. So reasonable expectations is 18-20. If you live in a climates where nothing really happening, you don't have extreme heats, you don't have extreme colds, you can expect 25-30 years. Can your roof last 50 years? I mean, in a perfect scenario, it can. We roofers rarely see asphalt shingle past that 30 years. Usually shingle loses all of these features. It becomes super dry. At the end of the day, it's going to lose most of its granules, and you'll see the mat and the water going to start saturating. Unlike metal. As a matter of fact, one of the reasons I think shingle manufacturers came up with a 50-year warranty to begin with, because they have to compete with the better products. They have to compete with the metal roofs, with the clay roofs, with the tile roofs, and those roofs will last 50 years. So asphalt shingle manufacturers, they were competing against 50 years, and there's nothing they could do. Asphalt roofs not gonna last 50 years. So asphalt shingles, instead of developing something new, they pretty much developed new warranty. That's all it is. The biggest change was done on paper, not actually in the process.
Warranties are only as good as the company behind them.
These homeowners thought the shingle warranty would cover defects. They had no idea how limited that coverage really is.
Now, a lot of manufacturers, and I give them tons of credit, guys like Malarkey, guys like Atlas, even being in competition game with the biggest players out there, they still say, well, we don't believe it. Our warranty is 20 years and it's legit. We're going to cover it bumper to bumper. So pretty much it would be your 100K on the car. They say, yeah, we know our roof can last 30 years, but we're going to cover it for 20 years. And no matter what gonna happen after 20 years, it's kind of you, but you get everything out of it. If something happens, we're gonna cover it all. So a few things that I have to tell you about the warranties in itself, because it is a little bit different than buying your car. So you usually have three kind of coverages. Doesn't matter what manufacturer almost you choose. You have your out-of-the-box coverage, which usually 1 to 5 years. You don't hire a contractor, you do it yourself, you follow instructions. This is what you're gonna get. You're not gonna register it with the manufacturer, you're just pretty much getting coverage on a shingles alone. Now, if you use a contractor and who is certified with that brand, who's gonna register it for you, so you should expect at least 10 years out of the roof if you hire a professional contractor who has a good relationship with the manufacturer and who's gonna use their accessories and so on. And then you have enhanced warranty or extra coverage. So those coverages is where you probably have to pay a little bit more for the warranty. A lot of manufacturers, they figure out, just like when you go to McDonald's. McDonald's makes more money selling sodas and fries and just pretty much on extras. The same with the roofing manufacturers. Roofing manufacturers want you to buy a warranty, but to buy a warranty, you have to buy more components. Besides shingles, you have 4 other components. It's your starter strip, it's your ice and water barrier, it's your felt paper, and it's your hip and reach shingles. Now, even when you do that, you have to be really careful and read the fine print, because even installers, I'm blown away how many installers do not read the warranties and still defend the product. When we publish best and worst roofing shingle manufacturers, a lot of people started defending ICO Dynasty, and for that, because there's so many people defending and so many installers, I decided to include a few pieces from their warranty in this video, and that's the only warranty I'm gonna talk about. So this is directly from their website, limited warranty information table, and you can see on the left name of the shingle, and they have all their products. Dynasty, that most installers defending as a good product, and I believe it could be a good product, but their warranty is not as good. It says right here, maximum liability dollar limit per square, it's only $40. I want you to think about it. Going rate for something like Dynasty, it's anywhere from $350 to $400, depends where you're in the country right now. That's what you're gonna pay. It's not gonna even cover, it's pretty much half of the material cost alone. So your biggest cost in roofing install is labor to remove, labor to install, permit, dumpster, stuff like that. It's not even a product. Product, it's only 30% of your job. And with the IKO brand, you're only getting $40 of it.
Daddy, you're a crook.
So this example comes from IKO warranty. Manufacturing defect resulting in leaks is found in January 2034 in shingles purchased with a 25-year limited warranty. The shingles were purchased in January 2016, 18 years or a total of 216 months have elapsed since purchase. IKO's warranty obligation will be reduced by, there's a formula, so IKO maximum obligation would be 14%. How would you feel if you're buying 25-year warranty, you're thinking you're here, your roof is failing here, and you're only getting 14%. As a matter of fact, most roofs do fail, in my experience, or start major problems from here to here, 5 to 10 years. 1 to 5 years, you rarely see major problems. You will have problems with the sealants. If it's not sealing, you have a blow-offs. So here's a few things that you must look at your warranty. And I don't care what manufacturer it is, but there's 3 things every warranty has, and you have to be very, very careful. First thing is wind warranty and blow-off. So your sales guy will tell you that your roof has 130 miles per hour wind warranty. Well, it doesn't mean anything. That's like hurricane. But then lower, the warranty will say, well, yeah, that's the wind warranty, but first 5 years and for sealant. So if you have blow-ups after that, it's on you.
Wallace runs a roofing inspection company and has to tell homeowners warranty fine print doesn't pay labor, usually 2/3 of a new roof cost.
Well, I've got a warranty, and that's when you find out your warranty doesn't cover very much, even when there's a defect.
You have to call a roofing company. Nobody gonna come, nobody gonna repair it for free. It's out of your pocket. So look for exclusions for wind and blow-offs. Another one, this one is really big and it's becoming bigger, algae. So if your house have a lot of trees around it, even the best roof out there, it's not gonna look like this after a couple years. It's gonna look very bad, horrible, horrible algae strikes will start growing in it. One of the reasons for it, because a lot of manufacturers using limestone. So limestone pretty much feeds algae. Change materials because they're cheaper, we get it, but now you literally start feeding the algae. So good manufacturers will give you, I would say, 15-20 year warranty for algae, and the last one is prorated versus not prorated. You need to understand the payout by the company. But don't just buy 50-year warranty and pay for it, let's say $2,500, thinking that you cover it for life now. You have to understand what's prorated. Sometimes it'll be like this. Sometimes it'll be prorated period 10 and the rest of it, you know, like if you have a claim on 15 years, this 50-year warranty that you think you got after 15 years only pays you, let's say you got $10,000. After 15 years, you're only getting $3,000. I want to close this video with the following statement. Roofing warranties are important. They're super important as a product. But I would highly, highly recommend choose the best product first. In my previous video, link in below, you can find what we recommend. Top 3 brands, CertainTeed, Atlas, and Owens Corning, and we have a reason to recommend them. We don't install 2 of them, we install 1 of them, but we believe that those products stand behind our warranties. Now, if somebody comes to you and say, well, what about this product? They have good warranty. For me, I would rather choose a shingle that I know and see the better initial quality than believe in the paperwork at a competitor. That's just me. I hope I help somebody to choose new product. Again, you have to do your research on your own. If you're looking for the contractor, we would like to connect you. Here at Roofing Insights, We don't charge contractors and homeowners for connection. We do it for free. We do it just because we're trying to help as many people as possible. We have a big network of roofing contractors all over the country. So if you're the homeowner and looking for good, reputable contractor in your area, and we cannot help you we only serve Minneapolis and Florida, Orlando market. But if you have, let's say, Texas or Colorado or Chicago, we don't care where you're from, send us a message, go to our website, roofinginsights.com, submit the form, say, hey, Dmitry, I'm looking for a contractor in this area, and I'll do my best to connect you with somebody that I can put my name on for a recommendation. Thank you so much, guys, for coming. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching another one of my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. You know the gig, you know everything to do, that ring, whatever it is, just do it.